leaving Meat Cove this morning on a rather overcast, gloomy day, and we're headed to the Cabot Trail for a little bit of hiking action today, and hopefully lunch at a restaurant, so a little bit more of a touristy rolling day today. Roger. So day number 5, Cabot Trail. That's why we drove. Oh wow, they're actually very cool. What? Oh wow. And since we failed to reach the waterfall on day 2 of this trip, I owed it to the group to take us to a waterfall, and so we decided to stop in on this one as it was along the way. Besides, you're on the Cabot Trail, it's very touristy, we have to stop at all these places and get out, enjoy the beauty, and also, later down the day, we're going to do a hike. So we're on the Cabot Trail now, and the weather is just starting to turn better. Cloud cover starting to break. Well, that's I think that's the cape where we were, where Meat Cove is.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
This is crazy. It's so beautiful. I don't remember where it's in.
And for the first time ever on a trip like this, we decided to stop at a restaurant for lunch for a change. Considering we're doing the touristy thing already, might as well. And it wasn't going to be the last time either. For an appetizer, we ordered the mussels, and then for the main, I had a fish burger. This was called the Burger That Ate Cape Breton, and then Steph had the lobster poutine, and both were absolutely amazing. Highly recommended. And this is at the Rusty Anchor, just on the Cabot Trail. the trail? Okay, yeah, we can download some stuff maybe in the parking lot. And no trip is complete to the Cabot Trail with at least one hike under the belt, and we picked the Skyline Trail, which is probably the most famous trail of all on the Cape Breton Island. Now this is about a 7-kilometer loop. However, we measured if you go in and out on the same route, it's approximately only 6 kilometers. We chose the middle of the day, around noontime, to do this trail, and the temperatures were very high, about 30 degrees Celsius.
Tu vas gagner de l'argent? Combien?
You don't think a moose can get under that?
You think? $5 bucks? $5, s'il vous plaît, $5. So my boyfriend has the Gaspésie t-shirt, but we are in Nova Scotia. Oh well.
I already wore 2 of my 3 Nova Scotia t-shirts, so I have to save one for tomorrow.
Ouais, c'est 6 km finalement. Mais ça vaut tellement la peine.
And as we approached the cliff, we were greeted by a very welcomed cool breeze coming off the ocean.
On a de la place, je pense qu'on va... Oh! Fuck yes, c'est empty, man! We'll have shower and everything. Okay, so... I'm going to check with them. For a family, I don't know if we can be a family. Pour les aînés, c'était 7,75 René. Yeah, but I think we need to tell them when we go out.
Pas ces appareils pour les oreilles.
We'll just set up camp. That's it.
Oh yeah. Okay, this is our campground for tonight, guys.
I'm going to transfer my images and videos to my computer, and what better way to keep it topped up working in at a camp than my BLUETTI. We're at the Cape Breton Highlands in one of the many campgrounds along the Cabot Trail, and we're set up here for the day. Just a little bath in the ocean.
Oh, Ellen. Oh! Babe, again.
Poor kid, man, if he knew that we're doing that to his
So day 6 now on our Nova Scotia Overland adventure, leaving the well, no, not quite yet, not leaving the Cabot Trail just quite yet, finishing off the Cabot Trail just now. Check this out. Just unreal how nice, how beautiful this place is. It's like, I feel like we're driving through a Bob Ross painting. It's incredible. So day 6, left camp this morning, which we had almost all to ourselves. met some nice new people last night. Two friends traveling from Montreal in the Tacoma Alucab camper, but they head in the other direction. They were going north, we're going south, so otherwise we would have traveled together for a few days maybe. But anyway, unreal scenery. So, but they gave us a good suggestion, a good recommendation for today, to go down to Gypsum Mine, which is like a swimming hole with cliffs to jump into. So that's what we're doing today, right this morning on our way out. And I'm going to drive through a shitty camp for potential resupply for some things before we head across the Cape Breton Peninsula over to the southeast side for one second last night of beach camping. Okay, so I'm gonna go fuel up at the gas station here, so it's up to you if you need to as well. If not, you can RV at the co-op. Everyone meet at the co-op. On va se rejoindre au co-op. Moi je vais prendre du gaz ici. Si vous avez besoin de gaz, bon, faites comme vous avez besoin.
To Robin.
Okay.
Okay, what do you want? A large?
Yeah, large.
Large?
Yeah. Yes, thank you. Perfect. Yeah, carrot if you have it.
Huh?
Carrot if you have one.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
The coffee one is good though.
Okay. Oh yeah, that one, whatever. Yeah. So it's in Chitty Camp right now. A little Jeep invasion at the gas station.
Due to a change in weather, we also changed our plans and skipped the gypsum mine for this time. The radar showed cloud passing over the northern parts of Cape Breton, whereas the south looked clear. So we decided to just head south and escape the rain.
So we had been very lucky with the weather up until now. Today looks like the only rainy day. And that's okay, it's quite a bit of a driving day today to get to from here to our next destination. And it looks like once we get south, the weather should be alright. Even though in the afternoon, clouds are supposed to move in. Oh, on this radio here?
No, the other one, not by purpose, I changed the channel and it was saying that it's the ultimate.
Oh, that's cool. Yeah, that's the NOAA weather station.
Anyway, that's cool.
Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, as I was saying, it's our first rainy day today, and that's okay because it's a travel day. Once we get south, the weather's supposed to be clear. However, we got some rain, well, at least clouds moving in the afternoon as well. It is what it is, we cannot change the weather, but we've had extremely good luck so far with the weather, so we're definitely not complaining here. And just the rain just makes a whole different scenery. So we're on a trail again, and just as we drove by I noticed this dirt road, and then I looked on my map and realized it was running parallel to the main road and it was connecting to where we were going anyway, so might as well enjoy this travel day, this road day, by taking a bit of a trail network to get to where we're going. It's going to be enough pavement as is, so here we are, trail again.
I take it you went left at the intersection?
Yeah, left.
So-
you're up north.
Yeah, and now
I
I'm
just
going up.
change it.
So now
maybe.
it's showing the north.
Okay.
So it's going left at the, at the next intersection.
So, okay.
We continue straight down.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you still have the scope?
The code, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what was the
108. I can show you. It's the
Absolute pressure sensor circuit.
yeah.
Okay, maybe did you turn it off and then restart it?
No.
Sometimes if he got something, tu sais, s'il y a eu quelque chose,
Yeah.
cochonnerie dedans ou quoi que ce soit, il va
Yeah.
peut-être la passer. Puis, mais s'il chauffe pas,
Yeah. I'm gonna reset it.
okay.
Yeah. I can also delete the code and see if it comes back.
Yeah. I was a little bit disappointed though that you scan this without pulling the drone, then shift, then I don't know, air down or something. I was a little bit disappointed. It's a sloppy day for you today, eh?
Yeah, yeah. Speaking of the drone, I should probably put it up.
Yes, it would be nice.
Well, right here.
Okay.
Oh, I always thought. Weather and the tree coverage is so thick, it almost looks like nighttime. We just stopped here by the side of the river on the road just for a quick lunch break.
on the south of the island, and the weather has turned once again, and the sea fog has invaded the coastlines, and it feels very much like we're driving into a horror movie at this point.
It's completely another vibe here, and it's freaking cold.
Yeah, it's very cold here and very different vibe.
Sucks because in Glasgow it's 30 after Glasgow right now.
Oh shit, 30 in Glasgow right now?
Yep.
Wow.
Turn onto the trail that goes to the beach, to our campsite. Hopefully, good campsite. Yeah, it looks really nice.
We're on the south, and it's colder than the north. Yeah, this is looking very promising.
Yeah, I hope so. Ooh, that's cool here. Virgil, he talked about everything. He even brought wood and everything before coming here.
Yeah, and I made sure they mowed the grass first too.
Yes, that's your mother and your stepfather.
Oh, that's so sweet. It looks all the same as your mother, baby.
Yeah, it's like a mini version of theirs.
Yeah, that's funny. Oh wow, it's beautiful here.
Yeah, amazing spot. So cool. Wow.
So I selected this spot based off of a satellite recce, and obviously it belongs to someone. The grass gets mowed, it is maintained, it's clean. There was a gate, it was wide open, there was no sign saying private, no trespassing, nothing. I'm assuming it is accessible to the public, but if I am wrong and the owner of this property watches this video, please reach out to me and we can discuss some compensation. However, we do definitely appreciate that we could stay here and we took great care of it. We left no garbage behind and we did not make a fire. Despite this being the middle of July, it was very cold. If I had to guess, no more than maybe 12, 13 degrees maybe, but very windy, very humid. You can see the moisture in the air. I mean, we're living in a cloud at this point. And it took a little while to figure out where to park, how to turn the vehicles into the wind with the tents, and we spread out and we used the terrain to our advantage as best as we could to get shelter. So we ended up in 3 little groups, but it's okay. We enjoyed the beach a little bit, had something to eat, and this was an early night for us.
Pick it down.
Yes, please.
Content? Content, toi? Oui! Ok, bye!
Skye Tent, leading right into the storm. Well, the storm and the strong wind. It's coming from the front pretty much, so should be at a good angle to weather.
Yeah, I think we will be good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
I'll close the doors down so we keep all the moisture out. All the pillows. Yeah. Tide or high tide? Yeah.
Elle a l'air être gentille. Là. Regardez juste de même au cas où que.
Yeah, maybe. Have a weird smell on it.
Yeah, it smells fishy. Crazy. Okay.
Coucou! Oh, la petite langue, allô!
Take him back, I don't want to stress him.
Ouais, les sacs, c'est attaque ça. C'est de valeur parce que c'est tellement.
was a morning in June when I heard that tune falling up to the beat of your heart. Like a white rain sails from a startled trail, our eyes met and then landed so well. Before you could speak, before you could weep, I held your hand in mine. Like a shell on a beach, waiting for your reach, falling up to the mountain to climb. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring, there's no need for doubt in his mind. You came reassuring, Mother Nature's procuring, there's no need for doubt in his mind. And our eyes align like the sun through the pines in a silent space, in a cup full of time, in these orderly ways, in this disorderly